Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Eurythmics, Sweet Dreams. Great song on the acoustic guitar. If you want to play along with the record, put a cape on 3rd fret, please, and use the same chords we're learning. Okay, so we got A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. E7. 1, 2. A minor, F, E7. A minor, F, E7. A minor, F, E7. On the A, and then da 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 on the F, da, 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 and on the E7 same thing. Da, 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 and then for the choruses, F major, E7, A minor, D minor, 1, 2, 3, F major, E7, and back to verse. Chorus. F, E7, A minor, and D minor, F major, and E7. And then we got that middle part, which is A minor, A minor. So not D minor there. Let's just play D9, which is 1, 2nd fret G and 3rd fret B. If you want to pick this part, which is cool, I'm picking 5, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3 on the A minor. On the F, I'm picking just straight down 5, 4, 3, 2. We can do the same thing on the E, but starting on the 6th string. 6, 5, 4, 3. Cool. So that's it. That's the parts. We got the verses, A minor, C, E7. We got the the choruses, F major, E, A minor, D, F, E, and then the bridge, A minor, D. with the picking. The keyboard has a special part, but whatever you want. I think that sounds good, what I showed you. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe and take care.